Hey yo, welcome to Miami. Let's catch this hotel shuttle and get to our hotel and checked in. We chose Embassy Suites, of course, one of my faves. It's just nice all around. When you walk in, the ambiance is just lovely. Overall, just beautiful. The decorations, you could tell it's a little bit older, so it ain't a brand new hotel, but I'm satisfied for the money that we paid. The vestibule garden area looks amazing. I can't wait. They told me that they got a little reception from 5:30 to 7:30 where they're going to have free drinks and hors d'oeuvres and stuff. So that's pretty cool. Something that'll look forward to this evening. The check-in went pretty cool. $50 deposit. Don't forget that. Let's take a ride up this elevator. So calming, peaceful, beautiful. Man, it's real nice. I'm really feeling this place. We'll definitely be back and recommend y'all checking it out too. They put us on the 10th floor. Hey, we up here, y'all. All right, let's do this room tour real quick. 1033. I'm gonna play that in the lottery or something. Okay, look at it. Man, this is nice. Okay, we got the couch. We could have brought about 10 more people with us in this big old room. Nice TV, table, let out couch, extra sleep room. Okay, we got the nice refrigerator, microwave tucked under the counter there. Little storage closet. Okay. So, got the good mirror. What up, Trey? Coffee. Okay, the bedroom, right? We got sinks everywhere. Oh, it's two TVs in this hotel room. Okay, I feel you. Nice king size bed. Decorations is pretty sweet. Bathroom is simple, but it's really dope. I like it, y'all. Go ahead and book y'all a room when y'all coming to Miami. Check out the Embassy Suites. I think we're gonna have a party. I think this is where we're gonna come when we touch down in July. Stay tuned. Yep, so when you're ready to book, hit me up. 810-259-3096. Triple with Trey.